How's it? Good morning everyone, welcome back to the channel. Happy 2025. Right, today we're here in Nigel. We need to install two roll-up garage door motors. Just turn the camera with the light. So you can see that the drum is quite close to the support bracket. It means we need to modify everything in order to get the motor in there. Basically extend this there, the bracket, to the side. Same with that one. It's not going to be easy, but let's get it done. Only experience will show you that the way forward. Alright, we're done moving the steel bracket. And the motor is on inside onto the drum. We've also adjusted the garage door closer to the guides. So the old guides are just being used to guide the garage door, while the new A-frame bracket is there to secure the steel pipe with the springs, preventing it from turning. Alright, your garage door motor is in. You pin it with a Tech screw. Secure the two bolts, and then your wiring, you can bring it down in a conduit pipe. Controller, secured it level, and then the wires are going to be connected in here, and we're going to run a plug point for the two power wires. Your garage door is also pinned. I'll just highlight that later on. So next up is your electrical motor wire connections. For a left hand side motor, make sure that your red and yellow wire is in on their correct spots. If it's a right hand side motor, your red and yellow wire will be reversed. You've got green, you've got white, you've got brown. Your battery lead wires are connected into the controller card. And then before you connect your batteries, make sure that your wires correspond. So red is red, black is black, and you're getting 27.2. So now we know it's safe to connect the batteries onto the controller. Right, we're done with the installation. Quickly test them. Right, done. Let's quickly test them.
Ja.
Nee, wat spijt me.
Okay, maar dis in hierdie vooring, hè.
Yes, sanagaga. So it's running smoothly. Right, we're done. Just a couple of aspects that we want to point out to you guys. You can just quickly have a look here. Two of the same motors, two different battery sets. The one's got on the left hand side, it's got a larger battery compared to the one on the right hand side. And the motors are fitted inside the drums. Right, so you need to pin your garage door. If you don't pin it, you're going to tear it apart. So what we did is we double pinned it on both sides. Let's quickly move over. You can see we've got a double pin, and that is used on the positive closed cycle. And then obviously down here what we have is your counterweight. Obviously the light is coming in at the wrong angle, but on all the garage doors you need counterweights. Going to move over. This one's in gear. Just quickly move over to the counterweight here. There you can see it secured with screws. We've cleaned the garage door a bit. Just going to quickly open this one so that we can showcase the Okay, alright, stop. There you go. Well, go down a bit. Oh. So again, that's double pinned. Right, let's quickly put it in gear. What you do is you just pull on the string and you leave it. There you can see it. Okay, garage door motor is in gear. So with a garage door midway like that, the garage will want to find its limits again. And then your positive close will force the garage door in the completely closed position. With the motor drums on the side or on the edges of the garage door, our electrical wires are a little bit extended, so we just place them in sprag tubing just to make it neat. This video is again to showcase that we don't take any shortcuts on our work. So yeah, let's quickly test them from, see if this one's engaged. The right hand side one. Okay, you can see that it is on manual. What you do, you pull on the string, leave it. That's it. Garage door motor is in gear. Press your remote. Cool. You can see that the garage door motor is forcing the garage door completely closed. Let's test both. Guys, if you want it done, give Pottie a call, 083 778 2288. Check out smartgates.co.za and check out Exquisite Security. Thanks for watching. Keep well. Alright, last test video, closing it and closing it. See how smooth they're running. The ET Absolutes are battery backup, which means as they can operate without any batteries. That's it. That's what you want. Give the experts a call.